Alright, in this video I'm going to show you a quick comparison between the two air pressure regulators used by Eaton or Eaton Fuller. It's used in all transmissions that have a high, low range shift stick, or like this one, or this is the older style. This is the newer style. But basically all transmissions that have the same location for different gears. So basically first gear becomes fourth or fifth, and then second gear becomes fifth or sixth, and that kind of thing. Basically a high and low range piston. And this one on the left, this one here, this is an A4740 and this is an A5454. And by the way, all these do is they reduce the air pressure from 110, 100 to about 60 psi, and it actually says there on the bottom cover there, 396 to 431 kPa, or 57.5 to 62.5 psi. And this is the input. The big hole is the input. It says they're in, and then all the other smaller holes are outputs. And on the front, they're exactly the same, and the only difference is in the back, which, as you can see, this one just has the holes for the bolts, whereas the 5454 has these two additional holes for air. And basically the difference is with the 4740, you had the constant air going to the pistons by a big hose like this, whereas this one they decided, well, we already have the regulator mounted on the piston, why not have it supplying air directly through these holes instead of going through a big hose like that. Now that's fairly reasonable, but it came in practice, it also complicated things quite a bit for a whole lot of different reasons, but that's for a different video.